Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the mesh into Zbrush and immediately set it as a subtool. This keeps things non-destructive. Once imported, make sure you match scale and orientation to your base model. Use the Gizmo 3D for quick uniform scaling and moving. You should also duplicate the original subtool first, because undo history can be limited. By preparing subdivisions and checking normals now, you'll avoid messy sculpting later. This step saves time and prevents topology surprises when you merge or Boolean later. Once positioned, focus on how the two meshes will interact. You need clean junctions. Use masking to protect areas, then Dynamesh to fuse shapes quickly, but set resolution thoughtfully so details remain. Alternatively, use ZRemesher for controlled quad topology, then project details back. Make sure to use Morph Target if you want to recover forms after smoothing, and polish with clay buildup or smooth while preserving creases. These steps control surface flow and keep sculpting work-friendly once the pieces meet. To finish, decide between merging subtools or using Live Boolean for a non-destructive union. Live Boolean lets you preview results before committing. After merging, use Project All to transfer high-frequency detail from originals, and then clean seams with localized sculpting and polish brushes. Make sure to recalculate normals if shading looks wrong. If you run into projection artifacts, mask the trouble area and reproject, or lower projection intensity and rebuild subdivisions slowly. This prevents lost detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.